Hi, today I will show you the 5 most useful and easiest Excel functions that beginners need to know. So if you already have a foundational knowledge on Excel, you don't need to watch this video anymore. So we'll discuss these 5 functions which are really easy, and if you can do at least one of these, you can do any of these and more functions really easily. So to start with, we'll go with the easiest one, that is the sum, which is really essential in day-to-day life. So we press equal to, we'll write sum, we'll open the bracket and we'll select the range and we'll close the bracket, and that's how we'll get the sum of the entire range. One more easier trick is to select the whole range, and you can see in the bottom right the sum, the count and the average. But if you want to show it in actual sheet using a function, you use the sum function, average function, countdown function. For average also it's almost the same. You just need to write average and then you open the bracket and then you select the range, you close it, so you'll get the average of this range. And after that, for minimum, you need to type minimum, min, open the bracket, you select the range and you close the bracket. So this gives you the lowest numerical value in your range, and likewise for the maximum numerical value in your range, you write max, you open the bracket, you select the range and you close the bracket. So this gives you the maximum numerical value in your range. And for countdown, how many numerical digits you have in your range, you use the countdown function and you press count, open the bracket, and it's same, you just need to select the range and then close the bracket, press enter, and you will get 13. So these are the 5 most basic and useful functions you can use in your day-to-day life. Thank you for watching this video.